Papa, can you please, just once, put your phone down and come eat with us? Can you draw a star here, please?
Not now, Mira. Papa's busy. Go ask Mama.
You have your phone. You have your meetings.
Priya, don't be dramatic. Think about the children.
Don't go, Ma. Please.
Raj, come. Sit with us. I made breakfast. Your favorite.
Yes. Confirm the meeting for 9. I don't care about the other party's schedule.
He won't sit, Ma. He never sits.
Aarav.
Yes, I'll be there.
Papa, can you please, just once, put your phone down and come eat with us? Papa, do you not like eating with us?
What is all this, Aarav?
Red crosses. Every time Papa misses something important, I put one. Oh, honey, I know it's
1, 2, 5? 5 this week alone?
my school play, Red Cross. Mira's birthday party, Red Cross. Our Sunday picnic, Red Cross. Dinner Monday, Red Cross. Dinner Wednesday, Red Cross. Ma, does Papa even know the name of my class teacher? Does he know I came first to science test? Does he know Mira's scared of thunder?
Because I know all these things. Because I'm Beta, I know. Beta? Don't you think he has a responsibility towards his children, Ma? Don't you think we deserve more than this?
You all are still up. You haven't slept.
We all were waiting for you. And as always, you are late again.
I'm sorry, work was crazy.
It's always work.
Priya, the merger?
Don't. Don't say merger. Don't say deal. Don't say 1 more minute. I have heard it all. Every single day for 1 year.
I am doing this for this family.
Are you? Because this family, your daughter cried herself to sleep tonight. And you weren't here. You are never here.
What do you want from me, Priya? I am trying to build something.
I want you to eat dinner with your children. I want you to answer the phone when Aarav calls you. I want you to see that your daughter is 5 years old and she is already learning that her father will disappoint her. Is that the lesson you want to teach her?
You're exaggerating.
You don't need us anymore, do you, Raj? You have your phone, you have your meetings, you have your merger worth 1 crore rupees. What do you need us for? I can't believe you would do this.
Please, just let me explain.
Explain? It's too late for that. I'm done.
Priya, what are you doing?
I am going to my mother's house for some time.
What? Why? Because of one argument?
One argument? Raj, we haven't had one argument. We haven't had any conversation at all. When was the last time you asked me how I am? When was the last time you sat beside me and just talked?
Priya, don't be dramatic. Think about the children.
I am thinking about the children. That is all I do. I think about the children when you miss their school events. I think about the children when I explain to them why Papa isn't coming to dinner again. I think about the children when Aarav stops asking is Papa coming because he already knows the answer. He stopped asking, Raj. My 10-year-old boy stopped hoping. And you didn't even notice.
Ma, why do you have a bag? Where are you going? Don't go, Ma. Please. I'll be good. I'll eat all my vegetables. Please don't go.
Baby, this is not because of you. You are perfect. You have done nothing wrong.
What did you do?
Aarav, this is between adults.
She's leaving, Papa, because of you. Look at it. Look at all the red crosses. That is us, Papa. That is our life. Every cross is a time you were not there. Every cross is Mira waiting at the door. Every cross is Ma eating dinner alone. Every cross is me telling my sister, don't worry, Papa is just busy.
I was blind. I was so completely blind.
Papa, is your computer your real child? Because you look at it more than you look at me. Don't you love us?
You were right. About everything. I missed everything that mattered and told myself it was for this family. But I was lying to myself.
I don't want an apology, Raj. I have heard sorry before.
Then what do you want?
I want you to understand what we almost lost. Not to feel bad for one day and then go back.
I want you to actually change. Can you do that? Yes. I promise I'll change. For us.
You smell like the office, Papa.
I know, Beta. I'm sorry. Tell me everything I missed. The science test, your teacher's name, everything. I am not going anywhere.
Okay, Dad. It was fun.
So this science teacher, Mrs. Nair, she really gave you full marks? Tell me what the project was about.
Yeah, Dad, it was about building a simple circuit. I can show you later.
They can wait. This cannot.
Papa! Papa, you came!
Almost ready, just a little more.
It looks so yummy.
It smells wonderful out here.
Here you go.
Me next, please.
I thought working harder was the same as loving harder. It is not. My son counted my mistakes in red ink and didn't say a word for months. I almost lost my family. Not because I was a bad man. I was not cruel. I was not absent by choice. I just forgot to look up. If your child is calling you and you don't answer because of a work call, stop. If your family is at the dinner table and you are on your phone, put it down. My daughter asked me if the computer was my real child. My wife packed a bag. And I was sitting in a meeting thinking I was doing the right thing.
Ground floor. Hello? Is anyone there?
He entered the elevator but never came out.
I wanted to buy chips, but now I just want to go home.
Aarav, I can hear you knocking. Are you okay?
Yes.
I am trying, Mama.
Good.
Ah.
Mira, breakfast is ready. Come and sit at the table.
Mama, I'm coming.
Where is Aarav? Call your brother.
Mama, Aarav went downstairs.
Downstairs? Why?
He said he wanted to buy chips from the shop outside the building.
Chips? Did he go alone?
Yes, Mama. He said he would come back quickly.
Oh, Aarav. He should have told me first.
I will buy my favorite chips and surprise everyone.
Come on, elevator.
Perfect. Ground floor. Maybe I should also buy chocolate for Mira. Huh? That felt strange. Hello? What's happening?
Why did it stop? No. Maybe if I press the button again.
Come on, move! Hello? Is anyone there? Ding, ding, ding! Mama, Papa!
I don't like this. I want to go home.
It has only been a few minutes. He will be back soon. Maybe he started talking to his friend. Mira, drink your milk.
Mama, Aarav loves chips so much.
Yes, but he should not go outside alone. It has been 10 minutes. Mira, Aarav should have been back by now.
Mama, maybe he is talking to the security guard. Maybe the shop was crowded.
Maybe...
Mom, I think I heard a noise downstairs.
Let me go downstairs and check.
Be careful, Mom.
I will, sweetie. I'll be right back. Why is the elevator not coming? This is strange. I'll take the stairs. Uncle Ramesh, have you seen Aarav?
Aarav? No, I haven't seen him today.
Are you sure? It's really important.
I'm sorry, Priya. I'll keep an eye out.
He came downstairs to buy chips.
Maybe he is still upstairs.
Can we check the security camera?
Of course. Here, this camera shows the elevator area.
Wait, there he is. After that?
Let's see. He entered the elevator but never came out.
That means he is still inside. Please call the elevator technician immediately.
Don't worry. I am calling him right now. Hello, there is one lift got stuck and a child is inside. Please come quickly. Oh.
Now I will never go alone. I wanted to buy chips, but now I just want to go home.
Aarav, I can hear you knocking. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes, Mama, but the elevator stopped. Don't worry, Aarav. Mama is right outside. Mama, I was scared.
Aarav, if you can hear Mama, knock on the door.
Knock, knock. Good. Mama is right here.
You are not alone. Aarav, listen carefully to Mama.
Okay, Mama.
Take slow, deep breaths.
I am trying, Mama.
Good. Help is coming. The technician is on the way.
I came as quickly as I could.
My son is trapped inside.
Don't worry. The elevator stopped between floors. I will open it.
Mama?
Yes?
Are you still there? Of course. I still have the coin for the chips.
You can buy them later.
I think I don't want chips anymore.
How much more time is it going to take?
Just 10 more minutes.
I am worried he is alongside.
Okay, the door is opening now.
Aarav! Mama!
Are you hurt?
No, but I was very scared.
Everything is okay now.
Aarav, where were you?
I got stuck in the elevator.
Really?
It was dark and quiet.
I heard what happened.
Aarav was very brave.
Aarav, next time you must tell Mama or Papa before going outside.
Okay, Papa.
I promise. And never use the elevator alone.
Okay, Mama.
Aarav, do you still want chips?
Maybe later.
Mira, wake up. Wake up right now. Mira, listen. Do you hear that sound?
Aarav, what is that?
I don't know. But we must wake Papa. Right now, quietly. Very quietly,
I'm
okay?
scared, Aarav.
I am scared too. But we are going together. Hold my hand and do not make a sound.
Is it a ghost?
Ghosts do not open drawers. Someone is inside our house.
Papa! Papa, wake up! Papa!
Aarav, what happened? What time is it?
Papa, I heard something scary.
Shh, it's okay. I'm here.
Yes, Papa. Drawers, footsteps, I heard everything.
Priya, get up. Stay calm. Do not make a sound. Someone is in the house. Take the children. Lock yourself in the bathroom right now. Call the police. Do not come out until I tell you.
Raj, please be careful. Please.
I will. Go, now.
Hello? Police? Please help us. There is someone inside our house. Our address is 14 Shanti Nagar near the old temple. Please come fast.
Stay calm, ma'am. We are sending a team right now. Do not open the door. Keep this line open.
Yes. Okay.
Mama, I woke Papa. I heard the sound first. I protected Mira.
Yes, you did, Aarav. You were so brave.
Mama, where is Papa? Is Papa okay?
Papa is very strong, baby. He is okay.
Stop. Don't move. Put the bag down. Remove your mask.
Please don't hurt me. I made a terrible mistake. Please.
The police are already coming. You cannot run.
I am sorry. I am so sorry. I have not eaten in 2 days. I was desperate. I know it is wrong. I know.
Being hungry does not give you the right to steal from another family. From a house with children sleeping inside.
I know that. I am ashamed.
Police, open up!
Oh no, they're here.
You have to face this.
Papa, you are safe. You are okay.
Of course I am okay. Did you think Papa cannot handle it?
Papa, I called you. I heard thee first.
You did. You know what that makes you?
What?
The hero of tonight.
I was so scared, Raj. My heart was...
It is over. Everyone is safe. That is all that matters.
Really, Papa?
Yes, Beta, we are safe.
Papa, why did the thief come to our house?
He made a very wrong choice, Mira.
Was he a bad man?
He did a bad thing. Sometimes good people make very bad choices when they are in pain. But a bad choice must always have a consequence.
Papa, what is consequence?
It means every action has a result. If you do good, good comes back. If you do wrong, you must face it.
Papa, I have a question. If I am ever alone and something scary happens, what do I do?
3 things. Remember these 3 things, okay? 1, stay calm. Panic makes everything worse. 2, make noise. Scream, call, do whatever you can to alert someone. 3, never try to be a hero alone. Get help. Always get help.
A thief came that night looking for things to take. But in this house, he found something he did not expect. A family that did not fall apart under fear. A father who stood firm. A mother who held her children steady. And 2 small children who chose bravery over panic. Teach your children that courage is not